Habeas corpus is a Latin meaning, you may have the body. The term refers to a legal action ordering that a person deprived of his or her liberty be brought to a court so that it can be determined whether or not that person is imprisoned lawfully and should be released from custody. The habeas corpus first originated back in 1215, through the 39th clause of the Magna Carta signed by King John, which provided, "No man shall be arrested or imprisoned, except by the lawful judgment of his peers and by the law of the land." English courts began actively considering petitions for habeas corpus in 1600. While habeas corpus had initially originated as an instrument in opposition to the king's divine right to incarcerate people, there were many other constables and other authorities during those times who imprisoned people for various reasons. Accordingly, habeas corpus also developed as the king's role to demand account for his subject, who is restrained of his liberty by other authorities.